Cheers. Tapinda muno kitchen watu unopromo ndibikira. Saka usapedzere
time.
Usapedzere time.
That's the best.
You are the best. Okay.
And the trust.
Yes, the cooker.
Just okay.
There is the chicken.
Alright. Kuna bigaza so nice just fire.
You want to hear? Bobiga is so nice.
So no one but the big one.
Pongo but sure. Those what I pick no more. That's all I know.
They gonna
Mama gonna go
try me.
Ah, it was just so okay.
Yeah. So what are we eating last night? So
chicken.
Easy.
Nikasatsa katete.
Easy.
Shazga, I know what I'm gonna be. What are you lying to me?
I'm not gonna be on. Do you know I want to order myself tonight?
Yeah?
I want to order myself tonight.
Of course. You know what? I'm all yours, so what?
Okay. So you bring it in now.
So you got us a big and got here running.
Yeah.
Giant patching?
But I'm the one Obama didn't place our work.
Yes, I know, but I'm going to divide it.
Yeah, okay, I'll make it times 2 my end.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah.
So
Okay. Okay,
let's see.
Okay.
I'm here. Okay.
I was still. Okay, this is what you want your battle, so one your drumstick and you got it slowly. What is what was your force? How about you the bills? Diamond ring here, baby. So unfortunately, every time I know someone don't play that ring.
Oh yeah, I didn't hear but not to understand when we're just on a single good look. Look, what I need to get another I'm taking.
Listen.
I was allergy. But last time I'm going to the two rush.
Yeah, listen. Listen. I will not listen.
But I'm going to go so much. I just say, 20 doctor.
What's the year?
Yeah.
No. And that day when I don't go for you, you see anything?
No, I'm married you because I trust
you. Baby, it's really easy. It's easy.
I know.
Let's marinate.
I know, yeah.
Okay. Let me go and check. Without shit, I'll cook.
You check and Scooby.
I'll bait. I know I'm winning. Come in. Mom.
Hello.
You here?
Yeah.
I thought that was Lorraine.
No.
Oh, very pleasure. But you know, it's like doing great.
Thank you.
I'm ready.
So
I know you always
no.
Yo, yeah.
Kune madhaga kwanga kuchinaya Dave.
Una.
Ndasombodorekidza kubuda pandazongoti ndikaitese mwana wangu. Otherwise,
I didn't expect to see you today.
Urora ndikufonera ndikuweni.
No.
Kamba pe mwana wangu ndikabvunzwa kuti nayi mama mazoya surprise what was.
Anytime.
Kasa uchadi.
You know I missed you on homes and up Swiss.
Mama. Saka,
we didn't know you were coming, come mama.
Good. But anyway, that you know how it's in web now.
Okay, saka parise bamba.
Magaya mama.
Iwe, nezuro ndakatushaira kufonera.
Magaya.
Did I do to say?
Dave.
Yes,
What am I?
thank you so much.
Ko
Ndachimbo basa kitchen.
Yeah.
KFC hapa. Anytime, mama.
I don't know that that's not baby like
yes.
It's been a year now and I said I'm going to be kira.
But
so I think that it's a challenge. How much are you betting good with? I'm not gonna be. Then I was like, Dave, we're not gonna be. I don't think we're not gonna be. Dave, mama, Dave, we're not gonna be.
When is your mom?
Okay.
I'm not gonna be. Mama, tell me, Dimi, am I obviously, you know.
Dave, I'm not big. Yes.
Yeah.
Hey, mama.
Very
my old twin. My dang.
Dave,
yes, mama.
wonder.
Nice.
You're losing weight. What's going on?
Work-related issue.
I'm going to wake. Home.
Mama, who's away? Dave, who's away? What's it?
Yeah. Saka unakuzviona pesa apa pamakarora nekutanga
no, like you remember we dated for almost 3 years and then we got married the 4th year and no, sorry.
Okay.
Mama, tenda kusuwai mama.
Kudisuwa kwakanaka si. This pamuchindiratidza kuti pane
I tried calling him
zvikuitika
bus but the network was bad.
Ndinoda zvinhu zvine ndikuramba ndichingouya Dave obva wayo kati mama pane zvadoda chazviziva kuti time Laura tora phone.
Oh, okay.
Ndipo teaspoon kana tablespoon.
Right. My favorite.
Yes, baby.
Okay.
Anditombonda zvese izvozvo ndatozviziva. Dave, come and sit here. Laura.
Mama.
Dave.
What?
Yes.
Please. Laura. Yes.
She's done enough.
Dave, I missed you a lot. Come sit here. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
I really miss my sweet little boy. I want to feed you.
Oh, okay.
Please.
Okay.
Okay. How is it?
Good, but I'm doing it some basic.
Some basic with the same.
Okay. Let's go. Mama.
That's my boy. Remember, my only son. Put the fire in you.
Okay.
Please.
Okay.
Good. That's my boy.
But I feel like Lorraine should be doing this, Mama. Lorraine is my wife.
I'm your mother. She's your wife.
I know.
I'm your mother.
You'll always be my mom, but Lorraine is my wife.
I know, but I'm your mother.
Keep Lorraine. Oh, see us still waiting. I have to go. No, I'm going to check up on her.
Yeah, that's it.
Hey.
No, I'll be back.
Mama.
What?
Do you think it's normal
Yes.
feeding my husband in front of me, Mama?
My son.
Mama, be nice.
Am I not being nice?
No, Mama, why are you doing this?
What? Dave is my son. My only son.
I know, Mama, I know he's your only son, but you can't feed him. He's
There's nothing wrong with that.
something else. Mama, I need you to understand.
Hey, excuse me.
You played your part, Mama. But it's my
You
part
play
now.
your part
It's
is
my-
your if you gonna have a baby. Then
Mama, like I'm birthday Dave, and I should be kira, so let me just help him out.
hey.
Mama, what again, Mama?
This
When did you say this for Dev and me?
Not you.
It's something you brought here for us, so you can't just...
Excuse me.
Mama, come on,
stop.
Be nice, Mama.
Please.
Mama.
Don't you ever try me. You see the bad side of me. Excuse me. Go.
Okay, Mama, so you're trying to say if you bring something for my husband, it's not for me. Is that what you're saying?
For you, it's for my son. One day you will have a son, then you can bring him. Excuse me. Go.
Dev! I know.
Don't worry, baby. Don't worry.
That's what
Don't worry, my love. Today, indeed, so I want to do this on my own, baby. I want to show you that I can do this.
Yeah, no,
No,
but I'm
you
saying
can
your
tell
mom is
me
here
I'm
now, so can you
Yeah.
be doing this when your mom is here?
I can
Because
do this.
I don't want her to think that I'm using you or I'm not
Don't worry,
respecting you as
don't
my
worry,
husband.
don't worry, baby, okay. Just go and chill with our moms. Do okay.
You know what? I always get a headache each time. Yeah.
You know, I get those goosebumps every time I'm with you. It's goosebumps and goosebumps. I do not. Okay, go and tell my moms that.
Yeah, you know what your mom is like. Sometimes she's not in the, you know.
Stage. Go and tell them.
Okay.
Just finish up here.
Hello, Mama. Maskat. Maskara ndati chira. Maskara si.
Hey. I still get the man. Hey. I still get the man. And the regular one. I see you.
Mama, I don't know it. Why do you want to be like this all the time, Mama?
Excuse me. Laura. Remember, you're not my daughter.
So I'm not supposed to eat this?
Yes.
But it's in my house, can I, Mama? It's in my house.
I should come as you. Urude, Mama.
Mama, I think one thing you should understand is it's not only your son's house, but it's me and your son. So if you involve your son, you involve me. I don't know if you get that sense.
No. What's together? My son's house. It's not your son's house. It's our house. Why are they miserable? Urude, what do you want?
What do you mean? I also got an impala. Just trying to catch up. And it's not also one time and talk.
Okay, talk.
You were in a bad mood, and today again seems like you're always in a bad mood.
Too much talk.
Mama, you know what? You don't have to be difficult. I'm going to and then teaching far away as a family. Remember, Kaparis when I'm funding from Ketopedu. Zuchinzi, Anangweni, Batai Varora Venue, Shaganaka Sevana Venue. Hans my grudge is around Rora, Nanangweni. You know I'm Anglican, Mama. In a fundis, we do by church, Papa Pamchato Panko, Vakaparidza one. I wasn't expecting like this kind of treatment. I thought you liked me.
I think you know the reason why.
What reason?
What was it?
So Chingeta and anyone when you
go Chingeta and Britu?
Yes.
But what do you have to know? Chingeta?
I love him, Mama.
Huh?
Mama, I love him.
I love him.
That's why we are here. That's why I'm here.
Okay.
That's
I'm
why
listening.
yes, so munoita ngemunogara muchinibvunza kuti wakavingei, but yet you know why I'm here.
We're here to stay with him.
Yes.
Loving each other.
Yes, and we are happy together.
Okay. Just like that. We're happy together.
Mama, kana muchiti just like that, Mama? Munenge muchireva kuti chii? How is it supposed to be like?
Lord. Unoziva meaning yekurora?
Tell me about it, maybe I don't know.
You don't know. Go and ask your mother. She will tell you. Not me.
Mama, kana muchinditi go and ask your mom, muchizoti mama wangu
wakashaya. You don't know that.
But should you involve my mom? Knowing good my mom is late.
Auna maini. Musaraba.
Mama, come
Go
on.
ask her.
So issue ndei chii ndevana here?
Yes.
It's only been a year.
Lord. Dave is my only son. I remember. What's your problem? Do you have any problem, you guys? Hey, baby. Hey. Huh?
So, ndoita sei?
What's it, David?
Mwana wenyu asati akomplaina mama.
Moja kuti nyamcomplain.
Okay, ngatimbomirei zvekutonge tinonetsana. Kuri sei kushop kunitown?
Kushop kuri kufaya zvekuti.
Muri kutengesa
chaizvo. Ende tiri kuita mari. Wakangoti ziva. Tavava.
Mama, can we just make it, can we just have a normal conversation pasina kudzokera kwandiri? Why is it you have to why you always have to pick me?
Unaiti mwana auna. Maybe wakatengesa chibereko.
Mama,
shanda ukaushitobasa. Kugara, kugeza.
What should I do, Mama? Until I'm married to him.
Chakazvekuita.
Zvekuita zvei kana ndakarorwa. Okay, Dave is not complaining. He's the one akatondozoti baby mira kuenda kubasa.
Kuti mira kuenda kubasa kuti uiti.
Unozati pamba ndichimuchengeta kama mama.
Zvaifana kushanda idzi. Akakuti mira kuenda kubasa nekuti akafunga kuti kuenda kwakuita kubasa kwekuita sekuita mwana. Gara pamba utsikamira.
Then okay, let's wait and see then what happens after.
Roro akadzoka ngwarisa kunonetsa.
Mama, I think murikuda kuti ndiende kubasa here mukutora nyaya tu, and you know what, Bible rinotaura kuti murume achadya Jesu mukadzi acharwadziwa nemimba. So is it wrong kana mwana wenyu akandiriritira?
Saka mimba yacho iri kumira ucharwadzana. Ucharwadzana gore ripi? Bible rinoti mukadzi achazine mimba ucharwadzana nemimba. Ngaichirozeka mimba yacho. Iri kumimba iri kuwadza.
When the time is right, Mama.
Which time is going to be right?
Huh? The time is right, the Lord will make.
You see, I'm getting old.
It's not all about you.
It's about me.
Us.
It's about me. Because Dave is my son. Maria takabvisa ukurora yakawanda.
Kuti tomboenda na moms since that net trip here ku Falls.
Oh, for Christmas.
Yeah, sorry na mama.
What
you guys are going along?
What's
wrong, Mom?
No,
is
that's not
okay?
right. Amen.
Excuse me. Mom. Mama.
She ain't Mama.
No.
You know what?
Okay.
She's complaining. Like.
Okay.
Dave, you're overworking. Unoskera usiku kubasa. Wadzoka wakubobesa wakupona. Ausipaka jiswe. Ione.
Hey, Mama.
No, Mama.
That's too deep, Mama.
Listen, Mama.
Pandamujikisa.
No, come.
Shomu ne muri munga mwenye mukupata maboboni.
Mama. So,
No,
Mama. No, Mom.
No, your father was not like that.
No, don't. So thank you, Mama. So thank you. Please. You know, but a number Kurana Mdara. You're the one who played the role of your father. I don't wanna. Don't compare me with that man, Mom. That's why I'm trying, Mama. That was Zamaida say. It's love.
What is the
I zvakudhara vasiyani zvakudhara zvekuti murume anofanira kubikirwa nemukadzi. No, ndini ndavolontiya ndega, haana kumbondifosa ma.
Unozekana zvese ndada kuronga newe. Apa pacharongwa chinhu here chinobuda? Watozungairwa. It was zungairwa.
No, I am the head of the family. Anika. So I have to lead by example. I love it so much.
Yeah, let's see you.
No, wait, babe. Wait. No, come on. Babe.
Sure, see you. Thanks for the popcorns.
Okay, now let me. Okay.
Don't you die yogurt, but then
no,
Mama
please.
bought it in there.
Aiwa! This one popcorn you.
No, Mama. Mama, ndokumbrawo Mama. Please, ngatitaurani tinzwisane murura wenyu. Ndiye achava mai vevazukuru venyu. No, Mama, anambodyiswa.
Uku ndokunonzi kudyiswa uko. Ha? Wabika mapu, wabika chi, wabva kubasa. Everything. Yakangoti bheshe chekugara panapa. Ha?
Ndezvakudhara Mama zviyazi.
Remember, you're my son. My one and only.
No.
Ndikuda muzukuru. Muzukuru yandu
Mama, Mama, usadaro.
Chi.
Anambodyiswa zvasiyana kudhara Mama. Things have changed. I have to help my wife.
Okay.
That's my wife.
So?
I have to play. Ndini mkuru panapa ndika. Ndofana kushowa semkuru. It's love. Akusi kuti kudyiswa Mama. I have to.
It's love.
Andikuwa samdaro. Please. Ndokumbro. Mama. Yes, anambofana mtaro. Andinambofana nawo. I love my wife. Okay. Mama, please, let's talk. Mama. Mama, ndokumbrawo.
Okay.
Ndisana ine mrora wenyu. Mwana wenyu.
She's not my daughter.
No, Mama. Why are you saying this? I don't say, man. Makundomisira nga. Yeah, ndada kufunza kuti muri kuda mangwana because ndalorent toenda kuti na couples dombono taka night out ka bono
Kubuda?
yeah
Wenda?
Ano ndada kuperekedza time ichipo because ndarubuda mai macho papa.
Ndichienda kuzone mwana. That's not what I'm about.
No, it's not like that, Mama, but Mama. So like that, but tokongodzoka takamwira kasaka.
That's what around is Zingaba.
No, that's not it, Mama. You know you're always welcome.
2 days,
no, but
one night, no second. How time is it?
The space, Mom. That's what kitchen. Yeah. Come on.
Sanda bread.
Yeah, I don't want to pray.
Is it?
Yeah, because my mind did up to Buddha, sir. Yeah, I'm sure. No, and Mom.
That's not what's on. Oh, I didn't know.
Could be nice. Babe. I don't know.
Oh.
Yeah, ciao.
Kuperekeza anafuma ndo.
That's all far. You know, 20 couples night out.
Wakanyipira tubu.
Yeah, babe, don't worry.
Eh?
Don't worry.
Sha, zvinozopera moshe.
No, okay.
Isha, zvinopera moshe.
Alright.
Why though?
Hey, kudzoka.